Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Welcome back to our channel. We have put a pause on videos because we've been on a vacation. He's still working. I literally made him come home from work to do this video. Plus we just got from a cruise, and that's what this video is about.
Yeah, it's been busy. I'm still trying to do some more trucking videos. So, but as you say, we got a newborn baby and everything's just different right now. So I got more videos in store coming. So about next week, latest, I could start releasing some videos. So let's talk about a cruise.
So let's talk about the cruise. So we went on Royal Caribbean and
Grandeur to sea.
Yeah, because I can't even say that. But I wanted to talk about the terminal experience where our check-in time was like 12:30.
Right.
But we were able to check in at 10 a.m. It was a smooth process, almost like the airport. You just go ahead and load your,
drop your bags off.
But wait, when you go to the, what is the place called when you drop off your car? The parking garage, we dropped our car off, but before then, you can always drop off your luggage. So after you dropped off our luggage, we went back to the parking garage, and then we walked back with the baby.
Yeah, it was smooth. It was a good experience for me.
Yeah, it was simple and easy. So we checked in around 10, so that was good. I have a list here, so I'm going through the list. Don't forget, after you get on the cruise, it was 10 a.m. They told us that you could not get your bags until 7 p.m. So if you're going on the cruise and you know you have items that you need before 7 p.m., make sure you carry that individually. Because we were super surprised that we couldn't get our bags until 7.
And then again, I don't think that's all cruise line. I've never been in a Carnival before, so I don't know what it is like. But I've heard like friends and family saying they didn't take that long to get their bags. It took like an hour. So I don't know if it was that day or they didn't have enough workers in that day. I don't know what the situation was like in that day. But yeah, we take a few hours to get the bags.
And when I think about a few hours, I want Javon to talk about Swift experience as far as requesting time off for a vacation. Tell them about requesting time off.
So with that being said, with Swift, we don't get paid time off, and I'm on a dedicated
no PTO
account, right? So you have to save your money up, request time off. Well, they usually say 2 weeks ahead, but the way I do it, I try to put mine in like months in advance.
3 to 4 months in advance.
Yeah, that's what I do, because I've known guys there that put in their 2 weeks, like at least 3 weeks out, and they get denied because they be saying, oh, they're gonna be busy that weekend, or too much people take
time off at the same time.
Same weekend. Yeah. So this vacation I took, May, I requested it since March. So that was like, 2 months out? Yeah. Almost 3 months out. You know what I mean?
And like he said, request your time off ahead of time and make sure you save some money, because Swift does not pay for PTO time.
Right.
All right, so next topic is drink package. We didn't expect to get a drink package with Royal Caribbean because we did buy some drinks with chasers, but the drinks were about That's small? Yeah, small drinks. They're not going to last you for the cruise.
Probably like a day and a half.
Yeah, and what was interesting was they kept saying, oh, get the drink package because you'll save money. The reason why they say that is because one drink is almost $20. So yes, get the drink package. Also with the drink package, because we're a couple and because we booked a room together, your drink package must include 2 people. That was $1,400 for 7 days. So make sure you're able to book your cruise prior or during the cruise to expect the drink package. I'm going through my list, guys. Oh, Wi-Fi. We also booked Wi-Fi, and that was what, 150, 120 for yeah, for
But
like
it was,
7 days.
That I would say is worth it because you get to stay connected, so you can check your emails and all type of stuff. Which I got some emails I'm expecting. So with the Wi-Fi package, I love that. So I could keep checking my emails daily and keep connected with my families back in line.
And friends, exactly. All right, next topic is the room. You'll see a view of the room. We have the ocean view, which was cool, but the room was really small. And also we didn't have like a refrigerator and things like that. We had a baby. So you might want to look into that because Grandeur of the Sea is...
according to what I heard, is the oldest ship in the fleet for Royal Caribbean. It was made in 1996. Still going. So it was nice. If I was to cruise again for 7 days, it definitely would not be Grandeur. It would be in a bigger ship, probably like Icon of the Sea or something that's more bigger and got more stuff.
I would probably do Carnival again because I've done Carnival twice. And this is my second time doing Royal Caribbean, so...
Yeah, I never done Carnival. I want to do that later on this year or maybe next year.
Okay, and next topic is the food. The food was great, but a couple of things we learned was...
Right.
We have community areas. I call them community because it's like windjammers where everybody goes for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But you can also go to the main dining area. Yeah. So not only for formal nights, you can go to the main dining area for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
And we didn't know. We met a few people on the ship that let us know we could go. Because they always see us come to the windjammer. They're like, why do you guys don't go to the main dining room? I'm like, what are you talking about? And, they explain, they look at our sea pass and see we should be down there every night.
That's
at
right.
8.
Your sea pass card will give
you.
a lot of information. It'll tell if you have the deluxe package for drinks. It'll tell about your room. Every time you go across a boat, they always ask for your sea pass.
That's like your passport on the ship.
Yeah, that is correct. So speaking of food, the food was great. I didn't have any complaints about the food except even if you go to main dining, if you want lobster, something a little bit more upscale, you will have to pay extra price.
All right, so one night they got lobster night. One night. No, the first lobster you get, and this is only for lobster night that they have. The first lobster, whatever you order, the first lobster is free. If you order, say, a second lobster tail after that, then you gotta pay for it.
Then you have to pay for it. That is correct. And we got an ocean view. Kind of a smaller space than what I'm used to. See, this door just came through. Okay. We have our closet. And like I said, this is day 2. So we already have like our closet fully loaded with our bags. Everything, life jackets at the top for all 3 of us. Baby and adult. Okay. That's the closet. Remember, this was the door. And we're going to take a look at the bathroom. I will say it's very cozy. Very cozy. Just very small as well. And here's your shower. Okay. Shower. Nothing fancy. All right, let's move along. Jamari was able to get his strollers here, but we brought that with us. Side mirror. They were able to provide us with a crib. Asked for extra blanket. They have a couch in the corner there. Another wall mirror. I think they put this wall mirror to make the room look even more spacious because it's super tiny. There's our bed. Javon. Yeah. Okay. And there's a mini TV. Notice that there is no refrigerator. So this is our bar area. Which is okay, but I expected a little bit more than this from Royal Caribbean. Yeah, there's not a fridge here. So it's a lot, but not a lot. And this is it. This is our room. Day 1. Yeah.
Day 2.
I'm sorry, day 2. Yeah. So thanks, guys. Later. Hey, guys. We just got off the boat. We're in Cozumel, Mexico. This is our boat. And there's another Royal Caribbean next to us. But it's much bigger and they have a slide hanging off on the side. Alright, here we go. Hello.
Kayak with a boat, bicycle water, cafe chairs, and the departure time today will be at 1:45. 1:45. So 10 minutes, around 1:35, you can head to the parking lot to get on the bus. Okay? And amigos, any questions? All set? Vámonos, let's go get the ride.
Okay, we made it 10-minute drive from the boat to Playa Mia. We have a cabana. Cozumel, but the name of the beach is Playa Mia. And we're in our little cabana, which was super cheap. You just have to make sure you have cash to get the cabana because they do not take cards. So it's fairly empty. It's only like 10 a.m. But the weather is nice. The water is cool. There is a breeze. There are some things you can rent down at the end there. But I'll take you on a brief tour later. Okay guys. Here is Playa Mia buffet. Let's see what they have. Bread, hot dogs. Oh, they still have some breakfast going on here. Have some fruit, some chips, and it's big and spacious. They have 2 buffets, but I'm not sure if they're serving the same food. I think they do. Oh, it's not open yet?
No, just the one down here.
Oh, okay.
Maybe different stuff, but I'll put it
Okay, so they're not open yet, but they have a salad area, some fruits on ice here. And I guess they're gonna put the hot stuff over here. So we'll be back. But in the meantime, there's a pool area over here. It looks like for the kids. Can we walk over to the pool area for the kids to see what it looks like? Here we go to the pool area for the little ones. That's our entrance. Looks like they have lockers, also another restroom over here and another seating area. Looks like this is good for kids. So we may have to bring Jamari over here in a minute, right? Okay. So you think this one is better for Jamari, the little end right here? Than that one? Yeah. All right, so we're still moving around. Did you want to stop for
Yeah, we
food?
can get food and then come and say, and even if we use the float ticket, yes, sir. And you can turn up on the part.
Oh, okay. This is where you pay to get in.
Hot dog.
All right, come on, let's see. People are still coming in. You want to say anything to the people on your trip break from Swift, right? Swift gave you some time off. Don't forget, when you're applying for time off with Swift, you have to apply within 2 to 3 months in advance because there's so many people that work there. If there's too many people requesting the same time off, you will not be approved. You will not. Again, you will not be approved. All right, let's go back over here to the buffet area where it looks like they still have breakfast going on because it's still a little early. Let's see what Javon's gonna get right now. You already kind of have an idea. Get a plate, sweetie. Well, let me get the baby so you can make the plate. Jamari, say hey to the camera.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
I'm so sorry. The restaurant include this on the package. The rate is for buffet.
Oh, okay. Where did we go pay at?
In the window.
Oh, at the first one? All right, thank you.
Yeah, we gotta pay.
Yeah, because our wristband doesn't include it. You can just get a plate for you right now. I'm good. I had breakfast before I left.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, she sent us over here to pay over here.
What did you pay? You pay here.
How much is it?
$21 each people.
And then it doesn't include the lunch later, or is that a separate price?
It's 2 nights.
Oh, so later on you can come back again.
The buffet is all you can eat, included soft drinks only, not included alcohol.
Oh,
It's,
okay.
water, sodas, juices.
All right,
For
so
all day.
so we're gonna pay and we'll be right back, guys. Okay guys, this is Chalk's menu. I'm gonna have to like brighten that up. There's Javon Leslie. Javon, say hey to the camera. Jamari, say hey to the camera. Yes. This is Chalk's grill. Okay. Jamon, do you want to say anything to the people? You know what your appetizer is? He's hungry.
Still looking, man.
I'm getting the grilled pepper bacon as my appetizer. Alright, it's nice. I like it. I like it. You mind saying hey to the camera? Superstar. Alright guys, what day number is this? This is either the third or fourth day. We just made it to Honduras. Beautiful mountains. It looks like it's raining outside, so we don't know what the day holds, but we are gonna head out for breakfast. That's our goal for right now, and then we'll figure out what to do next. Jamari's ready to go. Javon, are you ready to go?
Yeah.
Tightening up the camera holder there because we'll have some entertainment for Jamari.
Oh, fearful.
Alright guys, so again, Honduras, how do you say it, Raton? And we'll check back in when we hit outside. Later! Okay guys, we are on deck number 10 at Honduras. It is quite foggy, but one of the waitresses told us this is typical for Honduras. It also smells like smoke, and then someone else told us that something was burning, but here we are, seaside. Here's some music playing, some mountains, of course a lot of water. So we'll be getting off soon. The boat is quite empty because I believe everyone's gotten off. We're also 2 hours behind Fort Myers, Florida time. So whatever time it is now in Fort Myers, I think it's like after 12. So over here it'll be after 12, 10, a little after 10. Excited to get off the boat shortly. Oh, they're playing music down there. So we'll catch some of that. But yeah, this is Honduras. Foggy, smoky. They had some type of wildfire, so we'll see that. Like I said, the boat is quite empty because anytime you hit a dock, hit a port, everyone gets off immediately to go to their excursions. So here is the party deck, deck number 9. This is the only pool also. Jamari could not get in this pool because he's not potty trained. Only kids who are potty trained can use that pool. But yeah, this is kind of it, and we'll be going down shortly. All right guys. Hey guys, we are on Honduras. We're headed to the beach and a few stops along the way. I think this is our car. Yep, right here. Come on, babe. Unstrap him, I'll hold him.
Website too, Chocolate Factory, Market, High Point, and Beach. The guy listed at the beach.
I'll take him.
At the end, okay?
Yes.
He is Manuel. He is your driver for today, guys.
All right, thank you. Here you go. You know how to collapse it? You know how to close it up?
No.
All right, you hold this. Camera's on. Andrew? All right, go. Sit on this side. And what time did you say you're bringing us back?
I just have to make sure that you guys get back like an hour before the ship.
Okay, which is like 3 or 2?
Patrón. ¿A qué hora se va el barco? ¿A qué hora se va el barco? Yeah, we have the schedule. Right.
Jamawi.
Oh,
5 local time.
5.
5 local, yeah.
So an hour before is 4?
4. But he said better like try to get back like to 3:30.
Okay, 3:30. All right.
The first time for you guys on the island?
Yes.
Well, welcome.
Thank you.
Hope you guys can enjoy it. So you guys, what I'm gonna do, like what we're doing right now, this is like a city tour.
Oh,
After that,
okay.
we're gonna start like a little culture tour. We're gonna actually we're gonna go to the north side of the island, and we're gonna make a couple stops like the chocolate factory, West End. Then actually, my boss said you guys going to the beach, right?
Yeah.
Which is the West Bay.
Yes.
All right. Then after the West Bay, I bring you guys back to the cruise ship to the south side.
Oh,
So
okay.
we're gonna make a kind of little
A
wrong turn.
U-turn?
Yep. So this happened to be our downtown city right here, like the capital of the island. So the name of this town is Coxon Home. Actually, they got the name from a pirate, John Coxon. So this is where this is how local people, this is how we live, and this is where we got to be close to shopping and stuff like that.
Oh, okay.
But today's Sunday, like the island is pretty much Christian, so like Sunday most people.
Oh, everything's closed?
And a lot of stuff will be.
Oh, okay. Oh, I was looking for you.
So we got a little bad news. Like you see the little shackle over there?
Yeah.
We were supposed to get the T-shirt.
Oh, it's already
I forgot that
closed?
It's Sunday.
Oh, okay. And what is this one called again?
This is Island Rum Factory.
Oh, okay. Hello.
You guys would like to sample the rum cake and the rum?
Yeah, I'll sample some of the. I'll sample both. Do you want to sample?
Of course, they have
Okay.
6 different flavors, so we have to sample them, guys.
Hello guys, welcome. Cooking out pineapple 151, banana, cinnamon on the nose.
Oh,
You guys can
okay.
sample on this side?
Which one do you want to try? Oh, I was gonna get it for you. 101. It's sweet.
These are the size of a
Oh,
cake.
coconut.
Small, large. We have a 6-pack with one of each. They can last you from 8 months to a year on shelf.
Oh, wow.
They're already vacuum free so you can travel safe on them. Also, we do 5 flavors of rum. You guys can sample 3. And we do rum infused cigars.
Rum infused cigars.
These are the size guys. We have small, large cake. We have a 6-pack with one of each. They can last you from 8 months to a year on shelf. Also, you can sample 3 of our rum and we do rum infused cigars. You guys want to try the rum?
Yeah, they're all on Dean's phone. Check it out.
Okay. And what is the name of this beach again? Key.
Henry. This is the West. Okay, this is West Bay.
Oh,
This is
West
just,
Bay.
Henry is just through Henry Market.
Oh, okay.
You have the West Bay Taviana, you have the West Bay Henry Morgan, you have the West Bay Foster.
Oh, okay.
Oh, somebody gonna come to drive.
Yeah, we're not walking. I'm back in some shit.
Okay. You can go in the shade with the baby.
Oh man.
Okay, so I need this. You got it?
So guys, from up to the reception to all the way here, like I explained to you guys, your wristband is covered like you guys like a guest in the hotel until you guys ready to go.
Oh, okay.
So they have a bathroom right here, but also they have on the beach, okay?
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Hi.
So you saw the guy here with the you see this guy here with the yellow shirt, right? Mm-hmm. All right, all these on the red. Good. So you guys get to pick like anywhere you guys want to sit from this corner all the way to that corner over there.
Oh, okay.
But you see the lines that they have there?
Yeah.
Like you're chilling right here. It's nobody could come like selling stuff. You got to go out there, or you can have them come. So like when you come in here to relax, there's nobody on top of you for stuff.
Yeah, so he said back here is a safe area. He said anything up there is more of like
you
the
can sit from
public.
this area right here. That's on here. You guys ever tried that before?
No. Where the shade is?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's sit under one of the shades.
Ya te llamo. Ya te llamo. And over here?
Yeah, this is good. Thanks.
Okay, let me kind of help you here. Turn this over.
One hour later.
There he goes. And now we're headed back to the ship. We had an awesome time. Mari's weathered out.
Tomorrow, Belize.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think no, that's a royal. I think they have their own private islands. I think over Belize though.
Really?
Like yeah, I think so. Like this ship, they don't go to the main city. They have like their own private, some kind of.
Oh, this ship right here?
Yeah, the Royal Caribbean. Like sometimes they stop at Belize first, and they say they've been to Belize. Like they never been to like. Well, normally it's just like here, but then they have a small island that owned by the cruise ship. So like you guys come to Honduras, you guys never touch the main city. You guys touch the island of Honduras. You guys on the island, but the only thing, this island is not belong to the cruise ship. This is part of Honduras, but the cruise ship have a small island, I think, in Belize.
Oh.
So this guy, I think
Oh, you can check it on your phone?
Yeah, I got.
Oh, wow. Ron, would you like to say anything to the people?
Yeah, I'm tired right now.
It's okay. Are you tired, Jamari? Say I'm tired.
Tomorrow I'm asleep.
Ready, Jamari? Jamari just had his coconut water, so he's ready. Yay. You got your card ready?
Something like that.
Thank you. Guys, we have left Honduras. It's a very distant island. You probably can't even see in the back. But Javon just made him a plate. And what do you have here?
Yep. Pork. Chug chicken. Rice and peas. Oh, it's salad. What is that?
Potatoes. Sorry, coleslaw.
Coleslaw.
Yes.
Yeah.
And Jamari is sleeping. I'm gonna make my plate in a minute. But this is the night view. And what day is this again?
1, 3.
Alright, day 3. Sailing our night away. Alright guys, I'm gonna be going to the buffet with my camera. No, I can't because I gotta carry my plate back. So next time we'll have to do our dinner plate back. Alright, we out. Boop. You want me to take your cup out? Huh?
No.
You want to push? Oh. You hold this for a second. Let me fix my shorts. You can keep going.
No, wait.
Oh. You go through first. Jamali! Get a little shade there. We'll have to look for your friend on the boat.
I don't know if they come off on this front, which one they come off on. That's why I asked her, oh yeah, I go see them.
Oh, I don't know. She said she was gonna get off at 11:30, so we can just walk around the shops until we see them. Oh, look at the swings. Huh? Say that again? You like those? When we come, oh, go ahead.
Oh, okay.
I mean, we can look now, whatever you want to do. we walk around and come around this way?
Which part?
Through here and then around. Have a little bridge. See, they have some more bags here too. Oh, these are where you can take like background pictures and stuff. I can't hear you.
Go to the water back box and choke that. Water back box. No.
Why are you telling me? Oh, hey. Are
Yes, wait, taste me. Popo Loco.
you? Yes. That's what we got, some souvenirs for Mom and ourselves. And we're able to haggle some prices and get some discounts. So make sure anytime you're out of town, haggle, haggle, haggle. I don't know if Javon wants to go over there. He wants to go somewhere. We'll find somewhere to go. Our terminal is Terminal 1, so we're a little distance. Our boat leaves at 4. So we'll be getting there on time. It's only about 1 o'clock. Alright, so let's see what they're doing over here with the coconut. You want to put some in the baby cup first, and then I drink the leftover? Oh, coconut water for the baby. Yay! Which one is that one, mine, babe? Okay, guys, we are at Wendy's restaurant. This is called the Bourbon Barrel, but a lot of stuff is not in season, so they did not have the grilled lobster. They also, let me see if we take a look at the menu again. They almost ran out of the coconut curry chicken, but he said they had some left. What else did they have? Oh, no oxtail. He said they haven't had that in a minute. Alright, and then also on the menu are their cocktails. Nothing too fancy. And then also beers and local rum. Alright, so we're at Belly's with Pier 1. This is where we're going to get back on. So we want to be close to the pier, so when we're done with lunch, you can just head back out.
Yeah, there's a boat. You can have a sea ship.
Oh yeah, I already took a view of that earlier when we got off. Yeah, the boat is so far out.
Yeah,
This ferry, it'll take us 15 minutes to get back onto Royal Caribbean.
yeah, because the pier is not deep enough for the cruise ship to come all the way in. So it stopped 15 minutes away. Then we're gonna take the ferry all the way back, all the way here to the city.
Yeah, so we're doing it. Jamari had his coconut water, so he's good to go.
I was wondering why the boat stopped like 15, 20 minutes away. And then one of the guys was telling us that the pier is not deep enough, it's shallow for the boat to come out, the ship to come out of here. Then the ride on the ferry was so bumpy to get over here.
Yeah, if you are easily to get sick, the ferry is not for you. Yeah, there's our waiter in the green shirt. He took our order. And that is not the correct time. Babe, what time is it now? Because the boat leaves at 4:50.
2:19. Boat leave at what, 4:30?
Yeah. So we're close by. We're not going to miss Royal Caribbean once we're done with lunch. That's about it. All right, we're out. All right, guys, our food has arrived. What did you order, babe?
you don't put the new living.
Babe, how come? Oh. I hope you guys caught that. This is Icon of the Sea, the huge, massive, like, amusement park boat, which is like huge in comparison to our boat. Like, our boat stops here, that boat goes all the way up there. Let's go to the front and see what it looks like. Come on, Jamari, let's see what the boat looks like, right? Oh, this little trolley is on lock.
Wow, wow.
All right. Icon of the Sea is huge. And Carnival's right behind it. I can't even count how many floors are there. Like, it's just so massive. And this is our tiny boat next to Icon of the Sea. This is the adult area. Even though I've seen kids over there. I have. But whatever. Okay. Look how many floors of water and entertainment Icon has. Looks like some kids are playing down there. That's Mexico. And we heard a rumor that there's another boat they're going to build that's bigger than Icon of the Sea, but we don't know when that's going to be ready. Oh, the port is busy. Okay, so Carnival's over there next to us. Then Icon of the Sea, and right behind this boat is another Carnival cruise ship. So this port is super busy today. Here's Mexico. All right, guys. Now we have to head out for lunch because we slept in. We did not have breakfast. Javon partied last night. What did you call it? The headphone party?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we slept in. So did Jamari. He slept like as long as we did. We had to actually wake him up. All right, guys, Icon of the Sea, and we're out.
Heel together, left stomp, heel together, grapevine, grapevine to the right, not yet, grapevine to the left, and turn, grapevine to the right, to the back, grapevine to the left, stop. And it's fan, heel, hi everybody, toe, heel together, left stomp, heel together, grapevine to the right, grapevine to the turn, all the way, grapevine to the right, and start again. Let's do it, achy breaky heart, here we go. Fan. You go to the bathroom or the back? Why don't you do the front for a second? Bounce. A 5, 6, let go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
And as always, thanks for watching.
Stop. Hey,